Hello, and we are back in Shape and Space 4. In this tutorial we will be solving the following exercise about circles. The exercise says, find the size for each lettered angle. So, if we take a look at the figure, we have an angle lettered B within the triangle, and we have angle A. Both angles separated by 2 radii. So, if we take a look at the triangle, it has two sides that are radii of the circle. So, OC is equal to OD, since radii of the same circle are equal. So, this means something. It means that triangle COD is an isosceles triangle of main vertex O. So, the base angles OCD and ODC are equal, since base angles in an isosceles triangle are actually equal, which means that we have two angles equal to B, and what's left is to find the measurement of B. So, the angle COD is already given, which is 112 degrees, plus the angle OCD plus the angle ODC have a total of 180 degrees. So, 112 plus B plus another B, since OCD and ODC are equal, are all equal to 180. So 112 plus 2B is equal to 180. And now, isolate 2B, so 2B is going to be equal to 68. And now, divide both sides of the equal by 2 to isolate B. B is equal to 34. Now that we have found the angle B, which is basically OCD and ODC, we have to find A. We already know that A is actually the other part of the circle rather than COD. COD is already given, equal to 112 degrees. And we already know that the central angle of a circle is 360 degrees. So, COD plus A is equal to 360, which means that 112 plus A is equal to 360, and then isolate A to find the measurement of A. A is equal to 248 degrees.